because you can tell the noise is pretty loud. It doesn't seem to be coming from the engine, but more from the timing belt area. There doesn't seem to be any kind of overheating or anything. And no oil pressure light